Hello guys, welcome to Doza Digitals, where we share everything crypto and also opportunities in Web3 space. All right, so this video is going to be really very quick. This particular airdrop is about the Blum crypto, an application where you can have access to multiple cryptocurrencies and trade all of them on the market through this particular application. All right. And so Blum, they launched a Telegram mini app. Currently, people are mining the Blum token. And the beautiful thing is that the invite or the referral is limited. That means each user is limited to have only 5 referrals. Only 5 referrals. So when you are able to hit the 5 referral benchmark, you can't refer any other person except maybe the Blum team decides to roll out a particular update like they have done when they hit 3 million plus users in just 2 days, right? What they did was to give everybody a time limited tax and also give everyone additional 5 extra invites. All right. So what is the Blum crypto about? Let's go to their blog and just try to understand what this is about. All right, so Blum is a hybrid exchange for young and brave ones, all right, where they can have access to tokens from both centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. Plus, you also get simplified derivatives trading. And all of these will be available in their mobile app and also in their Telegram mini app. All right, now the Telegram mini app has gone live. So what is Blum points? All right, points are going to be the real deal inside the Blum ecosystem. So you can also trade them for boost and other cool stuff in the future. So currently everyone is farming Blum. All right, and how do you get started? Okay, so when you go to the description, you click on the link. The link is time sensitive, the first 5% and that's all right. So when you go straight to the description, you click on the link. When you click on the link, you need to register an email address, all right, to join the wait list. So when you join the wait list on that email, they are going to get you registered, all right, and they will now give you access into the Blum app so that you can start farming the Blum token by earning points through other activities that you engage in the app. All right, and you get to claim the points that you have mined every 8 hours. So let's just go straight into the app. Let me show you what to expect. So when you click on the link and you come into the app, it is going to give you the invite and it will tell you the person who has invited you into the Blum app. So the next thing you want to do is to click on launch Blum. So when you click on launch Blum, it's going to open up like this. Of course, it says there's a point that you receive for checking in every day. All right, so I'm going to be receiving 40 Blum for checking in. All right, so I've received that, and you can see currently I've earned 4,577 Blum points, and currently I have like 24 minutes left to claim my points that I've also farmed. And also there are tasks that you're expected to do. They are time sensitive as well, so when you do all of the tasks, you earn Blum points. You can see that the tasks are about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's 8 tasks in all. When you do all of them, you earn Blum points. Then this is the part for friends. All right, so you invite your friends. When you invite your friends, you get your 5 friends have signed up through your link. You can come back here every 8 hours to come and claim the Blum points from your referral based on the 10% that 10% of their earning each time that they farm. So you can come and claim the bonus as well. Then you also get to claim additional 2.5% from their downlines as well. You see, that's how beautiful it is. And you can see that I have extra 5 that have been given by the Blum team. So that means I have to share this with my community so that we can onboard more persons into the Blum ecosystem. And also, this how you can also earn more. There's an in-app game that you can also play. So when you click on play, these things will just be dropping. So you just expected to tap your screens, tap, 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 until the timer counts down. Currently, I'm on 17. The timer is counting down. So you keep tapping until you're able to accumulate more Blum points. All right, and you are good to go. Okay, so let's just finish up with this. I've been able to get 100 and I think 118 points. All right, so I have 7 more left to play. So when I'm done with that, this point automatically goes into the Blum points that I have here. Okay, and that's it about that. So when I come here, I'm just going to claim this. I'm going to claim it. Now you see it has added up. It's going to add up to my points much later, right? So guys, that'll be all for now in this particular video. The link is going to be in the description. It is time sensitive, but over time I'm going to keep updating the link as I get more invites opportunities. I'm going to update the link so that more persons can also participate in this Blum project. All right, so that'll be all for now, guys. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also share with your community so that we can onboard more persons into the Web3 world space. All right, then, see you again in my next video.